I wanted to talk to you about how warm it was today. Get back outside. I want to interview you and see how warm it is today. Okay, what are you wearing?
Do I have to tell?
Yes.
Okay, I have my sweatshirt on, my hoodie, with, see my hoodie? With my bibs.
Insulated bib overalls.
I got two pairs of pants.
2 pairs of pants on.
My bike pants.
And how warm is it today? 73 degrees. And she's going out like an Eskimo.
Oh, you guys.
It's even warm enough today for the dog.
Here, come on.
Gonna take Abby for a bike ride today.
You wanna go bike riding? She goes, I smell something. She already was huffing and puffing.
She goes, what are you guys doing? I'm not used to this no more.
She loves it.
Yeah, she don't have no hair, so her hair won't get stuck no more.
Yeah. See there?
There she is.
There she is, Miss Abby. Woohoo!
Gonna go for a bike ride. Hello, everybody. Papa Blue Shirt here. I shouldn't be teasing her, I guess, but it's just so much fun. Yeah, I wear this. It's really thin. I wear it to keep the sun off of me because doctor said not to expose my skin to sun because I had some pre-cancer stuff. But so I always have to wear this no matter how hot it is. But I tease her. But today is about 73 degrees. We're going on a nice bike ride today. I'm going to take the dog for the first time this year.
Yay!
We're going to see how it is with her and see how she enjoys that. You know, she likes to ride, but she gets cold. I guess they say she gets cold. I don't think she does, but you know, they say she gets cold.
Yeah, she does.
Okay, yeah, see, they say she gets cold. Well, we're going to go on a little ride today and see how it is. And 73 degrees, beautiful spring day. By the time you see this video, it'll probably be, you know, summer.
Or fall.
Or fall, maybe.
I don't have much confidence in you that
Yeah.
sounds like.
You know, I'm catching up.
He's slower than molasses.
Yeah, it's hard. I got them all done, but I just don't have them all
I
on
have
yet.
to get her hat.
There's where we're starting. Add 6250 on there because my odometer turned over one day. So a little over 6,500. Alrighty. Okay, here we go. Here's Miss Abby. Miss Abby's got her new hat on.
Miss Abby looks cold.
She's just nervous. She can't be cold.
I don't know. She don't have no fur.
Look at that hat.
I'm cold.
Look at Grandpa.
Hey, Abby.
Look at Papa.
Abby, you know what you look like? You look like an old church lady. She looks like a church lady with a church hat on.
It is too cold out here.
No, it ain't.
It's 73 degrees.
It's cold.
Oh my God.
Miss Abby back there. Oh, it's beautiful today. This is when I like to ride. About this temperature. 73 degrees. See out in the field there's some debris from the tornado. I'm seeing debris all over the place from this tornado. I mean, right now I'm probably 4 or 5 miles away from where the tornado happened. There's all kinds of debris. It just went so far up in the air and then landed way from where it started. Oh, I love it. Spring when it first begins to warm up. It just feels so good after having a cold winter. Stop sign back there just full of bullet holes. Yep. And for those who say if you have an e-bike, you're not getting no exercise, they don't know what they're talking about. Don't listen to it. There's more flies. They don't know what they're talking about, because if you ride hard, the difference is instead of going 8 miles an hour, you can go 24 miles an hour, and you cover more territory and you ride longer, and so thus you burn more calories. They said, I think it was 22% less calories when you ride an e-bike for the same amount of miles. But what happens is you ride more miles because you enjoy it more. And, I'm in much better shape than I was before I started riding. But yeah. But after the long winter, I have been riding less, so I have gained about probably 10 pounds. But I look for that to be gone real soon. Get back into shape and yeah. Did I mention I love my bike? Now since it's warmer, I'm going around the other block now. It adds, I think, like a mile and a half. Well, I would like to go somewhere and ride tomorrow, like the LBL or Tunnel Hill, but I got some stuff around the house I gotta get done. Gotta put in a drain, and before it rains, and do some landscaping. So that's the project for tomorrow. The dogs usually come after me back there, but this time they didn't. Maybe they're learning. Oh, I love these back roads. Passed 2 or 3 cars, I think, so far. So, usually not very much traffic out here. Yeah, here's my flowers again. Really pretty. There she is. You wait up for me. I waited for you. You wait for me. Cute little hat. That was so cute. Looked like a little old church lady. Yeah, Mama likes to ride this road. There's usually not much traffic on it. She can just go back and forth. And I can ride as hard as I want. Don't have to wait for her. Get good exercise. And plus we get our miles in. How many times you guys go back and forth? How many times you guys go back and forth?
We just stayed down on the other end, but we came back here once, and then we went back down, and then we stayed on the other end about a half a mile out, half a mile back. So probably that's what, from here to there and back.
It's like a mile and a half, I think.
Yeah, and so we probably went about, well, I can tell you, it's 9:03, and we are at 4 down on the end. So we put on 5.3 miles.
Oh, there's the old church lady.
Amen.
No, not her. This one over here.
Oh, that's okay. I don't mind being called a church lady.
What about old church lady?
Oh, I'm old. I'm feeling pretty old right now. That's a lot of miles.
Yeah, but you're on an e-bike. It's easy to ride an e-bike.
It's a lot easier. That's for sure.
You don't get no exercise at all on an e-bike.
Oh, please. Anybody that thinks that, buy yourself one, or better yet, go rent one.
Let's
That's
see
what
how
we
it
did.
is.
We rented one first to make sure we liked it, and we loved it. So
Alrighty.
Alrighty.
Yeah. Almost got it done. 13.5 miles so far. End of this blacktop road that goes to nowhere. And this road just goes out to nowhere. Brand new blacktop road to nowhere. Well, there you have it. 15.2 miles. 332, so 62.50, so 65.32. Here comes Mama. Here comes Mama. Ow. Man, I want to ask Ma how she did on the ride. If she was warm enough or not. Little iffy?
Yeah.
So you think when it's 80 or 85 you'll be able to go with just your... You sure that?
Probably 80.
80?
Yeah. When it first started out, I was a little cold, but then as I was riding, I got comfortable. So, so maybe
I got a little warm.
Maybe 80, and then I can not wear the bibs. I might still have to wear my sweater.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
It's Papa Blue Shirt, and thank you for watching. And I'll leave a link for this bike down below in case you're interested. Oh, it's really changed my life. Over 6,500 miles since I got it. Can't hardly believe it. Alrighty, thanks for watching. And may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.